Hey everybody, this is Lyle again, and this is the second video on the killer frost with my hop plants. In a second I'll show you the plants themselves. They seem to be doing really great, and here we are. This is my hop plant that's done the best so far. It's the youngest. It's a Columbus hop, and seems to be doing really great. And as we go to the next one here, this one has a lot of different brines. I had to trim a lot of them off. As you can see down at the ground there, you can see a lot of them cut off, and we got 4 that I'm still letting it grow, maybe 5, but we're going to just let it grow a week and decide what to do from there. And you see it's going up. This one has by far 2 of them all the way up to here, going all the way down, and we got one more vine over here that I'm going to let grow and go with the rest of them. Hopefully we'll get a good yield out of them this year. This one here, this is the one that looked really kind of bad. We got one that's growing all the way up to here, and then I got 4 that I've still let go down here to see what happens. Maybe I'll cut 1 more back or 2 more back, depends on what happens this next week. Then we got this one here. This was the one that I was so sad about. They had 2 long brines, but I had to cut them back because of the frost. So I got 2 hop plants over here and 1 over here. Not plants, but brines. And we'll see what happens and go from there. Then this is the Centennial that I got here. This is one of the older hops. We got 1 brine going up here real good. I got another brine over there and another one over here. We'll see what happens. 1 more over here, and probably next week or the week after I'll make a decision on that, and I'll do another video so you can see what's happening. Until then, take care, be safe, and enjoy.